Hey YouTubers, so today I'm making black bean burgers from scratch. So what I'm using, I'm gonna chop up my onion. I'm going to drain these can of black beans and I'm gonna mash them up. I might mash up these garbanzo beans, these chickpeas, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna try to see. You know what I am? I'm gonna mash up the garbanzo beans and the black beans together. And then the recipe called for crumpled up bread inside of the thingamabob, the black bean burger. And then I'm gonna chop up an onion. They said onions too. Okay, now I'm going to drain the garbanzo beans and the chickpeas. Okay, so I'm going to drain the black beans. I drained the black beans already, but I'm gonna mash these up. Okay, I mash them up to that consistency. Then now I'm gonna add chickpeas. So I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, just a tad. I got a little tinge of high blood pressure, so I don't want too much salt. I add cayenne because I love spice, and I just can't stay away from spicy foods. Garlic powder, I'm gonna use some garlic powder. Garlic makes everything great. And I'm going to use black pepper. A lot of black pepper. And I'm gonna use minced garlic too. A little bit. Yep, that's good. Then I'm gonna add the onion. Now I put all the measurements, cause look, I be eyeballing, so it's what my taste buds like. That's what I did. And then I'm gonna add a slice of bread. It said 2 slices of bread, but I'm just gonna do 1 slice because I am eating 2 more slices of bread because I'm not using the, I'm just crumpling up the bread. I'm not using bread like, what is it called? Burger buns. I'm just using regular bread. I'm gonna toast. Okay, so I have the black bean burgers. I'm not gonna eat all 3. So avocado, tomato, and onion is going on my sandwich. This is the chipotle mayo. This is so good. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.